Hi, welcome to today's simple and effective class which targets your deep core muscles and improve your posture to prevent joint pains and muscle aches. Let's get started in a tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Spread your fingers nice and wide, grip the mat with your fingertips. Take a deep belly breath in. Inhale. Open your mouth, a big audible sigh. Let's start with hovering tabletop position. Pushing through your hands, tuck your toes, lift your knees above the mat as you breathe in. Pull your navel in as you lengthen your tailbone, no arch in your low back. For 3, 2, 1, ease. Gently drop your knees onto the mat. Let's do some space side by side. One last time, hovering tabletop. Push the mat away from you. Lift your kneecaps up off the mat. Pull your navel in. Squeeze your inner thighs together. The back of your neck is nice and long. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. You did it. Let's do 3 rounds of cat and cow. Drop your belly. Shine through your chest. Gaze up. Exhale. Rounding through your spine, push everything away from you, chin to chest. 2 more times on your own pace. Feel the stretch in your low belly. Exhale. Welcome back to the neutral position. This time we are doing bird dog crunches. Reach your left arm forward. Tuck your toes for stability and then gently kick the right leg back, pushing through your heel. All your 5 toes are facing down. Option to stay here or maybe crunching left elbow to right knee. 3 more times on your own pace. Reach as you breathe in, as you breathe out, elbow to knee. One last time. Keep pushing through your right palm and left shin. Ease your left hand down, pivot on to the one side, coming to the side plank position. Lift the left leg up off the mat, kick through the left heel, flex the left foot. Inhale, reach your right arm up and over, and then crunch as we exhale. Inhale, reach, exhale, crunch. 3 more times on your own pace. No arch your low back. Keep pushing to your left palm and right shin. This time, bend your right leg. Try to hold your right foot. Grab whatever is accessible behind you, either toes or ankle, and then kick your foot into your hand. Open your heart. Make sure your foot is right behind your thigh. Keep breathing. Ease out of the pose. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Reach your right arm forward, left leg back. Roll your left hip down. Left thumb is facing ceiling, pushing through left hand. Pull your navel in. Keep breathing. And then start crunching. Inhale here, exhale, right elbow to left knee. 3 more times on your own pace. Building that stability and strength in your core. 3 more times. Option to tuck the back toes. Release your right palm onto the mat. Pivot onto the right shin, coming into side plank position. Take the left leg back. Left foot is flexed. Reach your left arm up and over. And then start crunching. Inhale, reach, exhale, crunch. Reach, elbow to knee. Always pushing through your right hand, engaging your core and pushing through your right shin. Ease out of, bend your left leg. Option to hold the ankle or foot, anything accessible for you, or you might use a strap or belt around your foot, or you just leave it as is. Kick the foot into your hand, open your chest. It's not lifted above your thigh or below the thigh. It should be in line with your thigh. for 3 more breaths. Open your heart. Release the band if it is. Release the left palm onto the mat and come onto your left shin. Well done. Come all the way down onto your belly. Core is not necessarily the front side. It's a cylindrical shape. The sides, the front and the back. So let's strengthen the back of our core. Reach your both arms forward. Forehead down onto the mat. Reach your right leg up as you inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Let's do 3 more times. Inhale, pointing through the toes. Stretch the back of your right knee. Squeeze your right glute. Inhale up and pause. Exhale down. 2 more times on your own pace. This time, see if you can lift right arm and left leg, alternating. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Gently tuck your chin. Find the length at the back of your neck. Exhale, release. Continue 2 more times on your own pace. Keep pushing the hip bones onto the mat. This time, get your arms along the side of your body. With your next breath, lift your head up and the legs up. Option 2, place your hands or fingers up onto the mat or reaching to your fingertips. Keep on breathing. Find the length, not the lift. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ease out of the pose. Bend your elbows. Make a pillow using your palms. Stack, maybe swaying your hips side by side. Slide your palms beside your chest and then lift yourself up. Tuck your toes for wide-legged child's pose. Knees as wide as you want them to be. Big toes together or apart. And then gently release your forehead, chest down towards the mat. Take a big, full belly breath in. Open your mouth, a big audible sigh. Ease out of the pose by sliding or walking your hands forward. Well done. That was today's practice. How you felt? Let me know in the comments below after practicing this. Namaste.